y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you are all having a fantastic day. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun and different subscription box unboxings and product reviews. So if you enjoy that content, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you join our YouTube family. So I do want to remind you guys, we do have an active giveaway going on right now. It is our holiday giveaway. It is a collab with Samantha Sweets. I will put a link down below if you have not entered already. But today, as you can see, we have our November 2020 Glamour jewelry box. So Glamour jewelry box now is 2 pieces of jewelry, and it is always beautiful. I will put a link down below along with a promo code. The promo code will actually get you a free piece of jewelry with your first order. But let's go ahead and get in here and see what we got for November 2020. I'm excited because it's always beautiful. So we have our bag here that will have our jewelry, and we have a little card. And this says, Holiday Collection. We are kicking off the holiday season in style. This collection was joyfully curated to make you sparkle. These pieces will add that little something extra to your outfit without any effort. Love that. So let's get in here and see what 2 pieces we got. Oh, I already see the earrings and they are beautiful. They're called the Love earrings. It says these earrings are classic and shine beautifully. The Love earrings are a simple set of dangle studs, an effortless pick when you're getting ready for the day or an evening out, and their retail value is $26. These are from Ashland Avenue. They are stunning. So there you have, that's what they have, the little dangle like that. Oh, those are so pretty. So simple, so elegant, so glamorous. I love it. Love those. All right, and our necklace is the Hope necklace. This is from the Sophia collection, valued at $30. It says the Hope necklace shines with an intricate design, making it just the right statement. A gorgeous necklace for almost any outfit. So let's see how this guy looks. Oh, y'all. It is beautiful. It's got the like rhinestones coming down. One thing I love about Glamour jewelry is that they always give like the extender. So if you want to make it a little bit longer, depending on where you want it to sit, they give you that option with that. I think that and the earrings together would be beautiful. I'm excited if you can't tell. So that was our collection for November 2020. But here's the best part, y'all, and I'm going to put my glasses on so I make sure I tell you guys correctly. But we're going to have a giveaway. You want to have a giveaway? Thank you so very much to Glamour Jewelry Box for sending me your November 2020 collection. I greatly appreciate it. I love working with Glamour Jewelry Box, but they're also hosting a giveaway for us. So it is extremely easy. The rules I will go over in just a minute. First, I want to tell you what you're going to win, and it is a Glamour jewelry collection worth over $55. All you have to do to enter, aside from being subscribed to my YouTube channel, give this video a thumbs up, and click the link that I'm going to put down below, the giveaway link, and make sure that when it says to make sure that you select my name or my channel for the second question regarding which channel you came from. So just make sure on that second question you select Southern Mom, and like I said, be subscribed to my YouTube channel. I will double check and that you have liked this video. The giveaway will run until December 10th, and the winner will be announced. And like I said, if you want to go ahead and sign up, you still get to the bonus piece with sign up as well. So that's all you got to do. It's really, really simple. I will respond to the winner's comment So make sure you leave a comment down below that just put done, that you went to that link and selected Southern Mom and whatever other information it asks you, and come back, comment done. So I'll put that into the random comment picker. And the day after the giveaway is over, I will use that random comment picker to select our winner. I will reply letting you know that the winner, if you are the winner, that you have won. You have 48 hours to confirm your win, and I will also pin the comment to the top of the comment section. So also, please be over the age of 18 and have a U.S. shipping address. That's it, y'all. Super simple, super easy, super beautiful jewelry that you have a chance to win. So let me know what you thought of the November set. I love hearing from you guys. A special thank you to my channel members. Your support means more than you know. I appreciate you guys so very much. I appreciate all of y'all being here and watching. It means more than I could ever express. So thank you very, very, very much. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Have a fantastic day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.